Today, I'm going to show you how to color match from your favorite movies in Premiere Pro in literally 2 minutes. Let's dive into it. So we're in Premiere Pro now, and we got some sample footage of just me riding in a car, filming a city skyline. Now, pretty basic footage, right? My color match right here is going to be this clip from Baby Driver to get that nice, solid kind of golden tone. So what we're going to do is we are going to click comparison view, and we're going to have our current right here and our reference right here. You can also maybe move those back and forth. They might be a little flip-flopped on your screen depending on your settings in Premiere Pro, but simply all we did was went to Lumetri color and hit comparison view. Now, what we're going to do from there is we're going to find the exact spot we want reference. So you do that on the reference timeline there. So we got the screenshot. That way, if you are working with multiple different screenshots, you can do multiple different color matchings. But so when we're there, we just click simply apply match, and boom, we got this new beautiful kind of golden color going on thanks to the simple color matching option. Now, here's the deal as well. Maybe this is a little too harsh for you and you're not the most excellent color grader, right? Like, I am not the best color grader in the world, and this gold seems a little too harsh for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear that out, and we're going to do a brand new adjustment layer. Okay, so we Control Z that out, and we are going to do new, real quick, click there, new adjustment layer. Awesome. So we're going to pop that adjustment layer over the frame. Then we're going to click on the adjustment layer, and then we're going to do comparison view again. And on the adjustment layer, we're going to apply the match. So now the match did not go to the clip, it went to the adjustment layer, which is great because then we can go down here on the opacity of our adjustment layer and we can adjust it a little bit, and we can bring down some of the harshness of that color, and we get a much better kind of vibe that I was trying to go for. A little bit of a golden vibe without turning the image completely yellow or completely orange like it was before. And so, hey, that was the Premiere Pro tip. Now, there's a bunch of really cool things you can do in Premiere Pro, and these tutorials are meant to help you get a quick way of doing these awesome skills in Premiere Pro so that you can become the best video editor possible. So I hope this helps you out. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. Check out our other videos, and I will catch you next time on the channel.